Today, something absolutely al bacio. I'm going to cook a beef liver on the cauliflower steak. I'm gonna make some puree from the cauliflower. I boil it around 5-6 minutes. What we're gonna do? First thing, we add some salt, black pepper, olive oil inside, garlic, couple bit of butter, 3-4 minutes per side. Okay, my oven is already on, preheat around 200 degrees. If you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check out website cookingwithanitalian.com. We do stuff absolutely al bacio, easy and taste. Three and a half minutes, we do the same, and we're gonna put it in the oven. I have already one tray. Very gentle. This going in the oven around 10 minutes. We add a little bit more olive oil, another couple pieces of butter. We get in, we add another couple of garlic. We're gonna add some salt and pepper. Be careful because we're gonna blend it with some anchovies, chili. Just be careful with salt. 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and we blend it, okay? Around 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes like that. We add some water. Okay guys, 5 minutes. Very nice. This is very important as well. We're gonna add this anchovies with some oil, put inside, 2 spoons of soft cheese, radish, put everything inside, pepper, a little touch of olive oil. We're gonna blend it, okay? Take your time. Something like this. Wow. Oh wow. Perfetto. 7 minutes is perfect. And now in the same pan we put again on, we add some oil, butter, garlic, some chili, always if you like, but chili is good. And we go in. 3.5 minutes per side. Later, depend how do you like. Add some flavor, rosemary, a little to cook. It's super. Now, and we're gonna cut it. Oh, look at that. I put on the bottom the cauliflower. On the top the steak put some cauliflower puree. Now we put on the liver. A little bit of this. Radish on top like this. My beef liver on cauliflower steak and cauliflower puree is this. Look at that. If you like this, finger up and follow us. Ciao!